and personal to you.
I forgot to mention this, we've got a second people joining us here today. That's Ruby, together with Luz. And also in this case, we help them to sense the vibration of the crane. And of course, a lot of people will think that after the Holy Crane is black. Next up, we are going to
the smallest room possible. Can we do it? Let's see. There we go. Great. You're ready. Let's go. Guys, no hesitation and check this out. We have Ehu. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
So Sumatran elephants are critically endangered in the wild. That means there's less than 2,500 of them. So you guys are really lucky to be able to see Ethan and Aprila here today. Look over there, gonna see how it's spicy, yeah? So we're gonna see how Gambe eats that durian. Alright, there she goes, and right inside her mouth. So you guys might be wondering, is this durian gonna hurt Gambe? Don't worry, Gambe is a pro. What she's doing now, she's actually stepping on the durian with her foot to crack it open. And once it's open, she'll be able to enjoy both the inside and the outside. Alright, look at that! Wow guys, I love durian too, so in case anybody want to offer some durian to the people, just let me know. Okay.
Wild tigers are actually apex predators and they are at the top of their food chain. They hunt herbivores such as deer and wild boar, and here at the zoo, they actually get a variety of meat, including veal, venison, beef, and chicken.
You can check her skin and make sure that it's free of any wounds. So here comes Aprila down to join us for the training out in the water. So why we get our elephants to do this, we have to do a full body check, right? And as you can see, Gambe is a little bit dirty. She's got a little bit of mud. Elephants lying down in their own unique ways. Very nice. Alright. Come on guys, give them a round of applause if you enjoyed that. So of course Aprila lying down on one side, after that she will get up and go to the other side as well, because guys, when you shower, I sincerely hope you shower both sides of your body, yeah, not just one side. So Aprila gotta wash both sides.